Cooper ready for snowbirding. Kurt checking the tires. Oh boy, look at that big old service dog. He's big. Anyway, we found that one of the valve stems on our new tires had a crack. So Kurt's got it in here so that they can fix her up. Oh, she's so naked. Oh, everything looks pretty good in there. Life rocks when your home rolls. All right, Kurt, what did they find?
Okay, can you see that?
Yeah, hold it up to your shirt right here.
Yeah, you can see the crack in there. The valve stem was cracked.
Wow.
So they got to put a new valve stem in there.
Nice. I'm glad they can do it. Oh, what?
That's why my shirt's always disgusting.
This is what it looks like when you get the day after your shots. He's still cute.